Conrad here with Mount Everest Moving Company. Today, we're going to break into a safe. Because we move a lot of difficult items like grand pianos and gun safes, we get into some interesting situations. One of our customers hired us to scrap this 3,000-pound safe. The problem is it's locked and no one knows the combination. So we agreed with the customer to cut it open before scrapping it. There could be anything inside. Money, guns, important documents. Let's find out. All right, so I've cut through this outer steel layer, and behind that is like a concrete type insulation. So this is more of a fire safe than a high security safe. If this was like a kind of safe you'd have in a jewelry store or something, it would have like inch thick steel. I wouldn't be cutting into it with a grinder. But in this case, well, you just have to cut through the steel layer, and then most of the thickness of the wall is actually concrete. So I'm gonna pop that out. And there you can see, it's like a concrete type insulation that I'm gonna cut through next. So I've cut through the outer layer of steel, and then I've broken through the insulation layer. Now all that remains is to cut through the inner steel layer, and we should be able to see what's inside. So we found inside there's a shelf, and then down below the shelf there's two sets of filing cabinets. But until the doors are open, we can't get to the filing cabinets. So we're gonna have to open those. However, the filing cabinets are blocking the way to get to the lock. So we gotta figure out how to open the doors yet. Okay, so I cut out some of the shelving so that I can get to the back of the lock. I've taken off the lock cover, which allows me to take out this tumbler mechanism, which should allow me to just open the doors from the other side. So let's go see. And up, there we go. All right, let's see what we find. Maybe the other side. Well, looks like there was nothing in there. The customer will be happy to know that before we scrap it, so we'll pass that along to them. Till next time, thanks for watching.